So here we are going to learn how to create some lo-fi music. So you go to any AI of your choice again. So I'm using Pool because I like it for the time being. Let's see that. And then you write your script. So first we are going to generate an image for the lo-fi music. So you see the lo-fi music, there's an image and then the music behind it. So we are going to generate the image first. So I want an image prompt or an avatar listening to music with a headphone using his phone. Yeah, let's just use that. Funny enough, I said I want the prompt, but then he took it upon himself to give me the image. So let's use the image it has given us. It's not a bad image though. So now let's go and get the music. So for the music, we'll be using Chat Music GPT. There are other music platforms out there. So you just comment and then I'll send you the links to the other ones as well. So we are dealing with instrumentals today. So just let's write some R&B. Yeah, this will do. And now let's generate our instrumentals. So I used this to generate some music sometime back. The music is not that bad though. Very calm. Let's listen to it.
I saw this lady I like. Her eyes are gentle, shimmering light. A quiet smile, a tender grace reflected in her lovely face. My heart had stirred a whisper plea to know the soul that lives indeed in every glance.
Okay, so it's done. Let's check this out. So you can download the music afterwards. And then now let's go to where we'll assemble them together. So you might use CapCut, but I'll be using Canva for today. So we import so I've imported the image we downloaded and then the music we just created. So we drag the audio onto the timeline and then it aligns perfectly. But then it becomes short because of the duration of the image. So we are going to extend the duration of the image so the music can also align itself with it. So now after we are done, we can listen to it to see how it is. I'm trying to see if I can add duration here, but then we'll just have to pull it. So now we can listen to it. When we are satisfied, now we can go to share. We click download, and then after it's finished loading down there, it brings a dialog for us to download it onto our PC or onto our device, and then that's it. We are done. Free. All this easy and free. Thank you very much.